Hi, this is Wayne with Bassador Woodworking. This is going to be a quick tour of my shop apron and things that I keep on me at all times when in the wood shop. We'll start with the apron itself. This is a waxed canvas apron that I got on Amazon. It wasn't very expensive, so my expectations were not very high. It's an alright apron. I'm not sure I would ever purchase this one again or recommend anyone else to get this apron. It has an awkward fit to it. The shoulders always want to fall down, even though I've spent a long time getting it to the point where it fits me like this. It's impossible to have this up any higher than right here, which I tend to like it a little bit higher. And it doesn't really move all that well. One thing that is always on my apron at any given time, unless they're on my face, are my safety glasses. These I also got on Amazon. They were very inexpensive, and they're actually my favorite safety glasses I've ever found. I'm not a huge fan of side shields. I tend to get distracted by them, and I always feel my eyes drifting towards them. But these ones don't bother me at all. I have 3 or 4 pairs of these, and I just have them at any of the machines that would require them. Also, I keep them on my apron all the time. That way, if I come in here to just make a single cut or drill a single hole in something, I still have safety glasses right there, and I don't really have an excuse to not wear them. Next, when looking at the chest pockets, I keep mostly marking tools. So I have pencils, felt tip markers, more felt tip markers. I have Sharpies of different colors, depending on whether I'm marking metal or wood. I always make sure I have a couple of each. And then I have a marking knife. And I have a automatic center punch. This is just a cheap one from Harbor Freight. I think I paid like $2. Might have even gotten it for free with a coupon. Next, if we look at the center pouch here, I have a folding ruler. This is just a cheap one, but it comes in handy. And a flip knife. And when looking at the leg pockets, I keep 2 squares. I keep just a regular square, and I keep a 6-inch combination square. On my left hip, I keep a tape measure, usually just a 25-foot tape measure. And on my right hip, I keep my hammer. This is my 16-ounce Estwing hammer. Of course, whatever I'm working on also dictates what stays in my apron for the time being. If I'm working on a large multi-day project, the tools that I most often reach for throughout that day make their way into the apron, and they don't leave the apron until that project is done. And then I do kind of a reset. So some days I have a Allen wrench key in my pocket. Sometimes I have screwdrivers. Just whatever I need at the time. That's kind of the point of an apron. And that's it. Thank you for watching. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to keep up to date with new projects as they are released. Thank you.